Hello, Professor. I'm going to show you my class activity. In this case, will be a ADC. Uh, you are ADC. I'm stepping around. Okay, say ADC with conversion with interrupts. All right. So, starting with this, we start with the IOC. In IOC, we're gonna send OER2 with 9,600 bits per second. Then we're going to the ADC one using we enable our input zero, and then we enable our interrupt. And our interrupt actually it is no. There you go. The ADC one, ADC2, ADC3, etc. is checked. There it is. And then we will generate our code. Just hoping that our code is gonna stay there. All right, let's stay there, and then let's go back to the AC. Now, as everything is set, our clock signal is already changed to 80 megahertz. Then we're going to main C. Just start, just going to we're gonna a little explain about already here. I include my libraries, our string library and the Studio H library, and then I create a integer variable called a conveying code 0, and then I create my variables. So this result, my uh, my charge booth, and also my float MB. That is our value will be directly to it will come from our ADC inputs. All right, we're going back. All right, so in this line we enable our interrupt, we turn the interrupt, ADC interrupt. Then we creating just a message when it starts the simulation. We will start with our message hello. We're creating our UR transmit. Actually, we enable or UR to transmit the message. Transmit the message that we will create. Call it hello. Here in our while block, we're gonna start setting the conditions about how our ADC conversion interrupt will work. All right. So here in conveying code 0 is here in conveying 0 we will reset our complete flag. In ADC result we get our ADC, we get our data from ADC. Here we restart our interrupt. Every single interrupt is interrupt is set. Actually we restart our ADC. Here on AMB is actually converting our data from ADC to convert it to convert to a flow number. Here in Spring F it will print or value. We'll print our value as a string. To here on transmit, it's just a delay for the transmission, and then we go back again. All right, so this is pretty much everything. I will just build the project. We'll build the project and see if there's any errors and no errors, and then I will do debug it. All right, it's debugging. All right, now I'm deciding to use the building console, and then it's not connected. This is happening before. The only way actually I can fix it is just unplug it, and then see if it works now. Project, build project, and then I will run it and let's see if it works. Then there you go. Now it's working. It's printing our values from the interrupt, from ADC interrupt. We're printing our values right here in the built-in console. All right. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching my video. See you next time.